dog has no chance at this.
What is he looking for?
There's a rabbit.
Where is the rabbit, honey?
It's right in front of you. Hey, Tina, I'm videoing. I need you to keep it down.
I don't see the rabbit.
It's right in front of you, honey.
Him, in front of him.
Oh, it's probably 15, 20 feet.
Just look at his little paws.
I know. Look at how slow he's going.
I know. Oh, this is so cool.
I know you see the rabbit, right?
She doesn't.
Look at him.
Oh, step by step.
Shh, be very quiet. We're hunting rabbits.
He's not going to get anywhere near it.
I don't know. He really, I mean, he has tiptoed the whole way out there.
Oh, yeah. Look at him.
This is so funny. Oh, the rabbit's, look at it, its little ears moved. That rabbit's taken off. Keep those.
Stay. Look at him. Wow, he's getting like it.
This is so funny.
Step by step by step.
It's my hunter.
Yes.
It's actually a lot closer than I thought he'd get to the damn thing. He's just, it's so funny. He has no cover. I don't know what.
See, I don't see the damn rabbit.
Well, honey, the rabbit is literally right in front of him.
It is.
Mm-hmm.
In front of him?
Mm-hmm. Stay, Rudy. I'm going to give Otis his shot at catching a rabbit here.
His tail is straight up.
This is 5 minutes of my life I'm never going to get back.
That's okay.
He's, I don't know. He's going to take a pronounce here pretty quick. That's pretty funny. You get to clean it up.
We could have rabbit for dinner.
We could have rabbit for dinner. He's right on it.
I don't see that. I don't see
I know.
The rabbit's right in front of him.
It's he's got a shot at this. He's getting close. I don't think that rabbit has any idea how fast that fat ass is.
This is amazing.
That's persistent.
Look at his tail is just straight up and down.
It's a little cockeyed tail.
Yeah, it's a little bit of a leaner, isn't it?
Oh my God, come on,
This is still.
I know. This is gonna be fun.
Anticipation. He's gonna get this. He's gonna get this rabbit.
You think?
I think he is. He's getting close enough now. Oh, the rabbit's ears just perked up.
Rabbit, go. Go, rabbit, go.
The rabbit's ears just perked up.
Can I scare the rabbit?
No.
Oh, what are you gonna take? No, he's just gonna kill it for no reason.
I don't.
Oh yeah, it's perking up. Oh God, that rabbit's gotta run. That is close. Oh shit.
The rabbit could be in trouble.
No.
We'll just go get it out of its mouth.
I don't think he's
But
ever
you
got
could
anything yet.
injure it. He could
Yes.
injure it.
Oh,
Oh yeah, not even close. That rabbit's like, yeah.
good try, Otis.
You ain't getting me, bud.
Good try, buddy.
You're not
You almost had him. You almost had him, Otis. Good job, buddy. Good job.